So let's start by sort of pseudo-coding out what we want to do and then hooking up some buttons. Right now we've hooked up the rest of our UI, but we haven't quite gotten to the place where our buttons are sending functions to this code. So let's just add a few lines here and let's write out some pseudocode. So we're going to have to, I'm just kind of thinking of my goals, I'm going to have to create 4 functions, one for each button. Okay, within each function, we will do something like grab the text from the 2 text fields. We will actually do the operation, such as adding, subtracting, etc. And then we need to display that result back on the solution text view, right? So this is kind of the meat of our app. So let's start by building those functions. So let's write fun, and we'll do add button pressed. And then we need to add it to our view, right? So we will do that. And we need to, of course, make sure that it connects back with our view in a second, but let's just finish writing that function. Let's do one for subtract button pressed. Okay, so we've built all of these. So that first one is done. We've created that function. Of course, we need to actually import the Android view properly, which it looks like it automatically did for us, but in case it didn't, I can simply add that up here, or we could use our nifty option return and import it there. Luckily, it already did that for us, so we're good to go. So we've got our 4 buttons, our 4 functions. Let's go back to our activity while we're thinking about it and just quickly link those. As you'll remember, we can just pull those here from our main activity file for the on-click property. Okay, hopping back, these are linked up in the code. All right, everything looks good. Let's go ahead and go to the next part, which is grabbing text from the 2 text fields.